Hey, hi.
Hi. Niju, you didn't eat your lunch even today.
Actually,
Listen, this has been going on since a few days now.
I know, but we ordered pizza today, so I just completely forgot.
Right. And yesterday?
Yesterday we had office party, I told you, right?
When are you planning to take care of your health?
I will, from tomorrow, I swear. Don't worry, okay?
Niju, you give the same excuse every day.
I'll do it, don't worry, okay?
Yes, doctor?
Hey, listen, Manveen. I have seen Nijo's reports. His cholesterol levels are really high. You have to stop him from eating junk food.
Doctor, but he doesn't even listen to me.
Manveen, his condition is really serious. You are his wife. You have to work on it.
Yes, doctor. I'll see.
Yeah, okay.
Seriously? It's midnight and you're eating chips?
Yeah, because I'm hungry.
So you could have eaten a lot of other things, right? You could have eaten fruits. Or you could have asked me to make something healthy for you.
Yeah, but I want to have this only. It's just one packet of chips, that's it.
Oh, and what's that?
Why are you stopping me from eating?
I'm not stopping you from eating. I'm stopping you from eating unhealthy. Why don't you get it?
Listen, I don't want to listen to your lectures. It's too late, you go and sleep. I'll have whatever I want, okay?
Again, you have ordered food from outside?
Yeah, it's just one plate.
So I made palak paneer for you, no?
I know that, but I was craving for this. What's the problem?
Why don't you understand? Doctors have told you your condition is serious and your cholesterol levels are so high.
Okay, so I will not have it. Happy now? What happened? Is everything okay?
I need to tell you something.
Yeah, tell me.
Niju, I'm pregnant.
What? I mean, but why are you sad? This is what we always wanted, right?
See, I don't think we should bring this baby to the world.
What? I mean, is everything okay? Is there any problem?
You are the problem.
Me? What are you saying?
Your health is the issue. You have become so lazy. Your reports are so messed up and your body is showing signs. Now even the doctors are tired of telling you to eat healthy.
See, don't worry. We'll take care of everything. In fact, I'll try to solve this. Don't worry.
That's what you keep saying, right? But where are the actions? You're still unhealthy and you're not working on it. I mean, you don't even take care of yourself. How will you take care of the newborn?
I think you're right. I was not seeing this entire thing this way. I was taking everything for granted. It's affecting you, it's affecting me, our entire family. I'm really sorry. And I'll make sure that I'll live a healthy lifestyle from today onwards. I promise.
Niju, you didn't eat your lunch again today.
Unhealthy food habits is one of the major problems nowadays. I myself is guilty of this. So what I've tried to do in my life is cut down on cola, chips and sweets. It has helped me a lot and I hope it will help you guys also. That's it for this story. See you next Friday.